course. And if you see over there, there's a lot of people with the children. I think everybody's expecting the snow. That's why we are here. So we are not the only one. We are expecting that we are the only people there. No one here. So we are the only two or sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. My throat is. No, I hope it's not a corona. It's just very dry. My throat is very dry because it's so overexcited over the snow. And now if you see, no, you don't see it, but the snow is starting. I saw some flakes, and I see a dog walking. So, hello. But anyway, it's cold. And my nose is running. Oh yeah, my nose is over there. Was running. It's gone.
Handkerchief.
No, I'm kidding. Oh my God, how come my throat?
You talk too much.
My throat is very dry.
Nou toch op.
Sorry.
Ja.
Sorry.
But, you have to cough more, then you have more this from the people.
And then I just coughing, guys, and then I saw a man watching me. He thinks, of course, that maybe.
Almost want to run away.
Yeah, he think I have a corona. But the truth is, I am allergy. I'm allergy from him.
Now you point to me?
No,
Ja,
to that man.
Ja.
No, to that man. I'm allergy from so many things. I think I'm allergy also from the snow. Hello. Yeah. Sorry, guys.